All right, so simplifying or adding and subtracting with matrices is pretty straightforward. When you're adding or subtracting, like in example A and C, you're just adding or subtracting those like spots. So you're trying to go from 2 matrices to 1, just combining them. So you're still going to end up with a 3 by 2, but you just go spot by spot. So 4 plus 2, 7 plus negative 5 gives you 2. 0 plus negative 3. Negative 2 plus 2 gives you 0. 1 plus 0. Negative 6 plus negative 4 makes more negatives. Negative 10. So when you're simplifying, you're really just trying to go from the 2 or 3 or the multiple matrices that it gives you and simplifying it to one matrix. That's all we're doing there. So when you're adding or subtracting, they have to be the same dimension. So in letter B, you actually could not do this because they're not the same dimensions. This is a 2 by 2. This is a 2 by 1. You would need like 2 more numbers there to add or subtract them together. So not possible, dimensions not equal. But you can subtract C. So that minus is minus that whole second matrix. So we are still going from 2 matrices to 1. And it's going to be a 3 by 3. So just start in your very first spot. 1 minus 2. Negative 1. Negative 7 minus negative 2. Minus negative becomes plus. So negative 5. 3 minus 0. And then your second row, 2 minus 5, negative 3. 0 minus negative 6 becomes positive 6. Negative 1 minus 8 makes more negatives, negative 9. 4 minus 10. Negative 4 minus 2 makes more negatives, negative 6. 2 minus 12. Negative 10. So again, just going from however many matrices you start with down to 1 when you guys are asked to simplify there. So that's pretty straightforward. And then if you've got a scalar or a number on the outside of your matrix, same thing we did on that first page, you guys will just distribute it in. So I'll have you guys finish letter D. So that final matrix that would equal after you distribute your negative 3 in there. But that's really just it. If you're adding and subtracting, dimensions must be the same because you're adding and subtracting every single corresponding or like spot there. If they're not the same, can't do it.